Today, I want to give you another tool that will help you break out of that old pentatonic box rut. In this lesson, I'm going to teach you two new positions that I like to call whole step boxes because they're easier to remember visually that way. And they're going to give you two different places to play in, so you're not playing in that little pentatonic box like we just did there. But before we start, welcome to Music with Marky. Alright, so there's not going to be a lot of babbling in this video. I'm just going to get right to the lesson. It's pretty simple. We're going to work in E minor / G major because I do most of my lessons there. And if you take the basic pentatonic box that you should already know in E minor, and if you're not familiar with that, I've got a lesson here introducing you to pentatonics. It's definitely the first scale you should learn. But we have the first box of this, and these boxes are based on two sets of whole steps. So if I look here and I have break this into a box of whole steps, it's a whole step and a whole step on the B string and then a whole step and a whole step here. So no matter what pentatonic I'm in, I will start the first of the two boxes on the first note of the pentatonic I play on the E string, the high E string. So if I come up to the top of it, in this case it's an E, that will be the high part of the box that we do for the first box. So you would then put your pinky there, and you can go back a whole step, back a whole step, and you have that first part of the box. And it's the same pattern on the next string. And so you have box one. So that's your little place that you can play in to break out of the pentatonic box and go lower to box one. If you want to go higher, it's the same exact looking visual pattern, but this one's going to start with the highest note of your pentatonic. So as you go up here, in this case it's G on the 15th fret, we now build the box, and we have a whole step and a whole step. And here again, a whole step and a whole step. It's a nice little neat box. So now you have 6 notes lower, 6 notes higher. You got 12 new notes you can add to break away from just the basic pentatonics. And let me do a little example song here so you can see it in some kind of context. So there it is, not a whole lot to learn there. It's pretty simple. It's going to be easy to add to what you're doing on guitar. If it's the kind of thing you haven't experimented with before, you're not familiar with modes and all that yet, and you're trying to break away from the pentatonics, as I've been saying, it's a great place to start. Record some music, show it to me, let me see what you're doing with it. I always want to check out what my followers and subscribers, viewers, whatever you want to call yourselves, are doing. Send me some music that you're doing and I'll check it out and comment. And any other questions or comments, leave them below. I get back as soon as I can. And until next time, guys, keep making great music.
Hey friends, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications. It makes the whole world better.